Moving on, shoe that I picked up from Club Factory. Really so flexible as well. It's not gonna hurt your leg, and the material is pretty good. I actually love getting it because of the stripe detailing on the side. It's like really breathable material. I will keep updating you on Instagram if this is really worth it even while walking for a longer distance or not. For now, the look wise and the quality wise is really amazing. This was again for 550.
For these grey metallic heels, I will be honest, I have never ever bought footwears online. This has to be my first time. I wasn't sure about the size, but it fits perfectly. It's PU material, medium heels, color is exactly like the picture and very comfortable. They have good and cheap heels collection, which I really liked about.
And now coming to shoes. So yeah, again, I forgot to mention everything came in really nicely packed. Firstly, in this cover, the courier had arrived in this cover, and everything else was bubble wrapped and neatly packed. So this is the pair of shoes that I got. They are these wedges, and they're like very nice and sort of velvety material, and I got them in black, but there are two other colors as well. I think one is nude and the other one is sort of brown. So this is the last size, so I think this is like 7. They're a little bit, my foot is coming out of it by a little bit, but then the quality is actually quite nice. To be honest, I quite did not expect this quality. The quality is really nice, and I think these were priced around 700, and they're quite fashionable. I think you would easily find something like this in Forever 21 or Zara, and they would be priced much higher. So that way, I think this is pretty amazing. Any other international website like Shein or Zaful or any other website, it would be slightly pricier than this. And definitely a little more expensive if you buy it in Zara. So I think this is a big yay, and the quality is nice and nothing is flimsy, and I can easily walk in these. Like, these are very comfortable wedges, and yeah, so this is a yay for me. And
Club Factory Customer Lookbook. If you love it, show it.